Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you block emails in iPhone. So if you want to block any email or user who sends you spam emails, so you have to open mail application in your iPhone. Now go to inbox and now you can see all the users who are sending you the emails. If you want to block any of them, suppose I want to block this Grow Digest, so I will click on his mail. Now I will click on Grow Digest again. Now again I have to click on this Grow Digest in the blue to open its profile. Now I will get some options and here is option of block this contact. If I click on this and then click on block this contact, now this contact is blocked and it will not able to send the mails to me again. And this is how you can block the emails or spam users in email in iPhone. Thank you everyone.